Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're going to talk about how to use Wing Chun technique to defend against a haymaker or a soccer punch, okay? So what we're going to talk about is you're more likely to run into punches like this on the street, right? It can be coming through an overhand. It can be something that comes across, right? Because I remember back in the days when I used to attend a high school. Not like I used to attend. I graduated from high school. But when I used to attend high school, this is happening almost every single week, right? You can see someone just comes to somebody, just goes across the face, right? This is more acceptable to the general population, right? You're not likely to run into people who can actually do a jab and a cross, right? Mike knows how to do a jab cross, right, effectively, but you're not gonna run into the population like Mike, especially on a street setting. You're more likely to encounter people who wants to throw all the body weight into one punch, right? Even though this looks powerful, right? If Mike would just kind of slightly move back, if I miss that shot, my whole entire body is gone, right? And in that given point, Mike can do whatever he wants to at that point, right? He can do a jab, cross, hook. He can do Wing Chun battle punch if he wants to. Boom, right there, okay? So the first thing we need to understand, where is that hand coming from? Basically, what Mike needs to do is understanding the fundamental of the movement. In Wing Chun, we don't retreat. What we do is we engage. We engage with the projection. So what Mike's gonna do is he's gonna defend my haymaker. At the same time, he's gonna step in with what we'll call the chum choi, okay? The feeding side is I'm gonna do this, right? You notice how he's using the forearm to kind of engage with my shots. Now, for now, he's kind of blocking the technique because he needs to see this hand coming in, right? He needs to see the hand coming in. So I'm technically conditioning his body to see where I'm coming in because he doesn't know, right? All I'm gonna do is I don't just go like this. I don't tap him. My job is I want to hit him, right there, right there, right there, see? So I'm conditioning his eyes. I'm conditioning the body. So he's learning how to use the arm to defend, right? Now the second motion is I put one hand right here. So I give him the visual target. So what Mike's going to do is when he sees his target comes in, he's going to strike simultaneously, right? So he doesn't just block and then he punches. No. In Wing Chun, everything happens simultaneously. And we call this biu da, which means you're going to deflect using the wedging hand and then punch straight into the center line. You notice how the body turns in because what that does is he shovels body forward, right? If I kind of stay stationary, Mike wants to step forward if I punch him. You see? See how the hand kind of goes through my face? But he doesn't want to do it stationary either because if he doesn't move, he might take a lot of pressure into the shoulder and then essentially, I could break him, right? So, one more time. I step in, I shuffle. That's the first defense. I can feed the same thing on the other side. He goes one. See the difference? So now he's got to randomly feed. Left hand, see, I can back in and back out. Mike wants to do this because he wants to stay with me. Now, as a feeder, I always want to make sure he's staying inside the pocket. It was a move. Like that. Right there. Now just know that realistically, he doesn't know which side I'm coming from. All he needs to train is he hit upon my response. Just like that, okay? So that's the first level. On the second level, when I hit, boom, right there, I'm gonna cross the hand because he's gonna try my hand, follow through with a single punch. One more time. I hit one. I cross the line because essentially, once I go over here, this is a control on my neck, right? One, he punched. Notice how the punch? He traps my neck. Now watch, he steps in. He punches my head. For training, I go one. I use my hand as a leverage. He steps in. Single shot to the head. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Other side, same thing. 1, 2, 3. He's going to step in, shuffle the body. Realistically, once he steps in, he shuffles. He pushes my neck away before he punches. His goal is, once he gets here, he pushes my head away so I can't see him, right? So we go 1, 2, 3. Other side, 1, 2, 3. Again. 2, 1, 2. Now we're going to add the favorite part of my shots, okay? We go 1 hit, 2. Now watch, my hand goes right here. He's gonna follow through. The famous Wing Chun punch, right? Again, 1, 2, 3, battle punch. Just like that. Again. Now, ideally without a patch, he goes 1, he shots my head. he pushed my hand through, and he punches, and then battle punch. To me, the battle punch never start off with a fight like this, right? It's always used as a finisher. I don't chase a guy down with a battle punch. The way we do the battle punch is never doing the stationary. This is a stationary battle punch, what we call the Ji-Chun Choi, right? Some people call it chain punch. It's all the same, right? What you need to do is, the target is here. He wants to shuffle forward. Keep that pressure forward so the momentum never stops. Remember, everything in Wing Chun we talk about is projection. You want to project as much as you can into the center line or into the target, okay? So let's recap, right? It doesn't matter what I'm trying to do. I want to condition my partner, never close the eyes. You can even put your partner against the wall like this. So that makes him doesn't back up. All I do is I hit him. He just defend, hit him, defend. And what you see right here is I'm trying to condition his hand. Notice his hand never it never tracks my hand like that. He's not doing that. He's just doing bat right there, just like that. He goes one, he goes two, he goes one, he goes two. Now he's not adding a body movement. He's not turn, just like that. He's not turn, right there. Now when I enter, see the body, see he's always controlling my center. So when I step, he's controlling with the hit, okay? So now the whole entire set of drill looks one, he traps, hit. Now I can enter 3 times, then battle punch, just like that, okay? I'll do it nice and slow. He goes one, trap, just one shot. Then from there, battle punch, boom, 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 just like that. Defend on the other side, 1, 2, 3, then shuffle in, battle punch. And just kind of keep in mind, doesn't matter what happens, you do not want to close your eyes and just put your hand like this on the streets. Our job is, I want to condition your body and your eyes so that when you see the haymaker comes in, you're gonna respond. That's the first thing we should train. Not, oh, I'm gonna close my eyes and hoping everything will be okay if I close my eyes. This is not a magic world, okay? There's no magic that I'm gonna close my eyes and everything's gonna be okay. No. The best way is we have to face your fear, which is the fear of getting hit. The fear of, oh man, he's gonna hit me and that's gonna hurt. We train to understand, why do I need to close my eyes when I can just simply evade, defend, or counter, right? So that's 3 things we have to keep in mind. You could evade the shots, yes, evade your head back, right? Then you might lose the opportunity to attack, right? You could just do a one-hand block, right? Now if you do that, it's not affecting my body at all. So if my body is not getting affected, I'm gonna hit you back again. So you're more likely to run into issues like this, right? So instead, in Wing Chun, we teach everything happens simultaneously. He's gonna punch through my head. Then if he hits that shot, boom, that's gonna give me a really good angle to follow through the second shot. So just keep in mind that when he strikes in for the first shot, he goes 1. He's gonna control my neck. When he shovels his body forward, he's keeping that control. Then he steps forward with a single punch first, and then he's gonna follow through, shuffle with a battle punch, just like that. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to respond to you guys. And thank you so much. I'll see you guys next week.